Alright, so just came by to check on Miss Amy. I do have her lights on. And Tom, we were talking about the dash lights. It's in the switch. Like the contact is off or worn. But remember, we've had battles with these light switches before, you and I. Fun, as you are aware of. Let's check our turn signals. Left turn, good. You can see the orange in the front. We're probably right at the see the front there. Probably right on the pole. Hold on. Cancel cam. Right turn, good. All right. Hazards. No hazards. All right, we were gonna check the horn as well. Real quick. As for the power steering, fluid level was good. I checked it. There's a little residual on the floor, but that's something that was stuck in the frame from yesterday in our fun little battle. Let me hook up our horn relay real fast and just see.